this is part 2 of me doing my daughter's hair. If you have not seen part 1, I will link it down below. You are not going to want to miss it. But in this video, I will be blow drying, straightening, trimming her ends, and also I'm going to give her a cute style at the end of this video. So make sure you guys stay tuned throughout the end. Don't forget to like, comment, and make sure you are subscribed. So I'll be starting with the Cantu Shea Butter Thermal Shield Heat Protectant. I'll be using this on my daughter's hair to protect her hair from all the heat that I'll be putting on her hair. So I'm making sure I evenly distribute this heat protectant all over her hair. Next, I'll be going in with the Cheese Silk Infusion. I absolutely love this product. It is a little bit on the pricey side, but it's so worth it. It will leave the hair super shiny. You will get straighter results when you're using this product, and it's just honestly, it's absolutely amazing. You will see how shiny her hair is at the very end of the video. It's like wonderful. So I will link this blow dryer down below. The attachment did not come with a blow dryer, but I will link that as well. If you are using an attachment, if you have kinkier textured hair, in order to blow dry your hair, you will have straighter and better results as well. So of course I'm starting at the ends and I'm just working my way up. I like to blow dry in all directions just to make sure every strand of the hair gets the appropriate amount or the same amount of heat. So I put that hair to the side. I'm just using a hair tie just to keep her blow dry section out the way. So I'm going in with like medium sections and when I'm blow drying her hair, and as you guys can tell, like her hair is tangled. Like literally 2 days ago I detangled her hair and her hair is back tangled. So instead of trying to force the blow dryer to go through her hair, I'm just using a wide tooth comb and I'm just going to go ahead and detangle once again. If you have like kinky textured hair, you know, like literally instantly the hair is like back tangled. As you guys can see, like I never even detangled it. Like it's super crazy. But yep, this is what you gotta do. This is what you gotta do. So now I'm going in with the blow dryer. I switched between high heat and medium heat because on the roots of her head I did not want it to burn her, so I used medium heat when I go on the roots. So her roots not going to be super straight, but that's okay. I'm not going for like a silky straight silk press or anything like that. I just want to get her hair straight enough in order to clip her in. So we are finally done. She's super happy. Her hair is so big and it's so long. It grew so much since the last time I gave her a trim and I straightened her hair. So I am just like in awe about how much hair she has. She's crazy. Look at her. She is too much. So I'm going in again with the Cheese Silk Infusions. If you have a thinner textured hair, do not put a second round of the Silk Infusions in your hair because this product can weigh your hair down. But since her hair was on the thicker side, I didn't mind. I just went ahead and used some more of the product. So right here, I want to go ahead and straighten. I'm using the Chase method, I think it's called. If that's not correct, make sure you guys let me know in the comments down below. But I'm using a comb under the straightener and I'm just going down. My goal was to only use one pass when I'm passing the flat iron through her hair. Sorry, get it all tongue tied. But my goal was to go through it once, not twice. So yes, I went ahead and I switched combs. Actually, I got a smaller comb and I'm using like smaller sections as well, just because I'm not going for a silk press, but I still want her to get her hair as straight as I possibly can without causing too much damage. So I like to hit the roots like a few times, and then I am using the smaller black comb to go down. Using the wider side of the comb, I'm going to detangle her hair with that side first, just because that side is bigger and it's going to result in less breakage and less damage. And then I'm going to flip it over to the smaller side. I'm going to detangle once again and just go all the way up, just so once again, kind of like with blow drying, I'm trying to get as minimum amount as damage as possible. So that's why I'm doing it this way, just so when I'm using the chase method, it goes down so much more smoothly. And I'm just showing you guys her ends. I have to go over twice for a lot of sections because her ends is kind of damaged. So yeah, it didn't take on the heat as well as the rest of her hair. But yeah, this is like half of her hair straightened and it looks so freaking good. I can actually run my hands through her hair like finally. And it was just like, oh, I love this moment. Just showing you guys her ends. This needs to be trimmed. Not super, super bad, but she still needs a trim. Just showing you guys how long her hair is. So yes, this is the last two little parts of her hair. Just straightening, showing you guys how that looks. And her hair is super shiny. I don't know if you guys could see that, but her hair was super, super shiny when I get up close. But we are finally done with the straightening. She's so, so happy. Just showing you guys the ends. I'm gonna go ahead and trim those in a second. If you guys are enjoying this video, make sure you like, comment, and boo. Make sure you are subscribed. So I am using shears. I literally had to go out and go buy some shears because I've always cut her hair with like regular scissors, and I just realized that was not a good thing to be doing. So I am not a professional, by the way. So I'm just honestly like winging it. I watched a few like YouTube videos on like trimming hair or whatever like that. But yeah, like just don't take my word for it, okay? Like go watch a few other videos, like better videos than mine, if you are going to be trimming your hair. But I was just like, hopefully, let me know in the comments down below, like did I do a good job? I don't know. I just seen the damage. I tried to make it even and I just like cut across. I don't know. It looks good to me, honestly. It looked good to me, like. So yes, look at me. I'm over here acting like I'm a professional. Like I was trying to like cut on the sides. Like I don't know. I was trying to do a little bit of something. But yes, this is her hair. It's cut. It's all uniform. I think it's, in my eyes, I don't know. It's straight. It's a straight blunt like cut. I love to see hair when it's freshly cut. It just looks so much more healthier. And if you have damaged ends, baby, let them ends go. I'm telling you, let them ends go. But now I'm going to go ahead and style her hair. I'm giving her hair a few little curls. Like this was the best curl I did, the first one. It's always like that. Then my other curls is all funky and just look raggedy, like I don't know. But look at that one, like come on, it was not trying to work for me. But I went along throughout her entire head and I gave her some curls just to give her a little bit of body. See like the shine in her hair looks so shiny. It looks so much more healthier now that I trimmed her ends. And honestly, it's that chi. I'm telling you guys, it's that chi silk infusions that just gives you that absolutely like super shine. And I'm finally done. Oh, I should have I don't know, do you guys think I should have just left her curls in? I went ahead and I just figured, combed her curls out. And she's done. Her hair is nice, healthy, shiny, strengthened, and just looking gorgeous. If you guys enjoyed this, if you guys think I did a good job, make sure you guys like, comment, and make sure you are subscribed. She's so happy. See you guys next time. Bye.